Hello, today let me show you how the nail system works in honorpos. There are three main functions for our system. The first one is the appointment system. The second one is the loyalty system. And the last one is the commission system. I'm going to show you all three of these. Okay, first, appointment system. You can see here we got a button called appointment. You can just choose it. Okay, we can see here we got all your employees' name here. Okay, if the customer wants to appointment, you can just choose here appointment button. Okay, now you can go to ordering page. You can choose what customer need a service. For example, they need manicure. Okay, remember you need to choose server for every service. For example, we need to choose change server here. Okay, this manicure was do by server 1. Okay, and they maybe need actual 10 minute massage. Okay, this one is do by server 2. Okay, they need another maybe eyebrow. Okay, this one is done by cashier. Okay, you choose all the server they need. Okay, after you choose it, you need to choose the time. We can go balance call appointment time here. We just choose it. Okay, maybe the customer came tomorrow. Okay, we can just choose tomorrow. Okay, here we change to maybe he got here 11:30 a.m. Okay, so we change to 30. Okay, 30 here. Okay, choose the a.m. Okay, we choose OK. After time we have to set it up. We need to enter the customer information. So we choose here customer info. Enter his phone number or name. If they already came before, you can see here where we got history. We can just choose it. Okay. If they have already been your shop for many times, you can choose more here. You can see the history here. Okay. That one you can repeat order. Okay. Okay, after enter the customer info, we can choose OK. For now, we don't need to put in it, so we just save it. Okay, now we go to appointment again. Again, we can see we got three options here. We got day version, weekly version, and monthly version. Okay, we can see here we got an appointment here in September 1st. You can see you can click this order. You can see more details. If you want to see the orders, you can just view here to check. Okay, if the customer came, you can just pay this order, or maybe you can print it first, and after all service done, and then payment, and then pay the order. Okay, and if the customer didn't come, on time, you can just delete this order, choose it, and void it. Okay, and this order will be deleted. That one is for the appointment system. Okay, second, loyalty system. Okay, for the nail store, we must need the loyalty system. What can do for our system? We got a loyalty card. You can just create a loyalty card for the customer. You can use a card or maybe a phone number. We got these options. And for now, I just use the card to show you how to create a card. Okay, we can see here we got a button called VIP here. You can just choose it and enter the card number. If you have a card, you can just swipe card reader. You can just swipe card. Okay, for now I don't have a card reader, so I manually input a card number. Okay, for example, there's a card number. Okay, we choose it. Okay, after we set it up, we can see here we got option called loyalty card here. You can just choose this option. Okay, now it will show you this a new card. You can choose yes to enter the information. If you want to enter the information, you can just enter here. If you don't want to enter, you can choose OK to pass this page. Okay, now this card has been created. Okay, and how can we to add a point to this card? Okay, now we go to maybe we order something. For example, the customer ordered maybe that's all you need. And for every service, remember to add server. Okay, after we add all server, we need to enter the phone number. Use this button customer info. Still enter the phone number here. Okay, after enter it, you just need to pay it. After to go to payment page, you can see that option called gift certificate here. Or maybe you may think the name may be wrong. You can just change. You can change this name. Okay, after choose it, we enter the card number. Okay, and now the point has been added to this card. Now we pay it. Maybe we pay cash. Okay. Okay, if you want to check the point for the card, you can just choose VIP again. Okay, enter the card number. Okay, and we can see here we got option point here. Okay, you can see we just added the point for the card. Okay, and how can we use the point? Okay, for our system, 1 cent is 1 point. You can choose to use a point. You can change it to the amount in this card. You can also change it to maybe a service. You can decide it. Okay, you can choose the point. How to use the point. Okay, we can also give card detail. We can see how when did we added the point. So after using the loyalty system, the customer will come again to add a point. Okay, the third one is the commission system, and for this one we actually have 2 options. The first one is the detailed commission. What does it mean? It means okay, your server do this manicure, they maybe got $5 commission, and every server has the same commission. If they do the service, he will get a commission. Okay, and the other option is the percentage commission. How this means? It means, for example, okay, this employee they got a better skills. They can got maybe 50% permissions. And for that one, they maybe have a poor skill or something. They only get 20%. We can also have these options. Okay, that one is to do commissions. Okay, now I can show you how to see commissions. Okay, here I just pay some order. Okay, go to here, report here. We got 2 options here. We got here commission and tip detail report, also the commission and tip total report. You can just click it. Okay, we can see here. Okay, it will show you. Okay, how much did this server do the subtotal here, commission here, also the tip here. Every commission will be added to this report. So every night you just need to see the report and print it. Let's offer the daily close. Okay. Also same thing. Okay. For here you can just change the time. For example, I want to see maybe we pay low, maybe half month, maybe a week or something. You can just change the time here. After which you change the time, you can just query it. You will get the month report for this commission report. Okay. And also we got tip detail here. It will show you. And every order has how much total, how much commissions, and how much tip. Okay, you can also we got every server showing here. Okay, okay, I want to only see one server. How can I do it? There's option here. We can choose server here. We can choose what the server you need. You just choose it and then you secure it. Okay, you can see. Okay, this commission will be added to this server too. That one is for the commission and detail and the tip detail report to count in the commissions